Oh, that's a fish. There we go. First fish of the day. Little creek chub. Exploring a new creek today. Also trying out some new stuff. We got the GOOGAN Squad little Bumpin Bug on. Got a little creek chub start. We're also trying our new rod a little bit more. Little Cast King 6-foot medium light. Hopefully gonna be our go-to little creek pole. And fished this creek a little bit the other night. We're gonna come back and explore it some more today. There we go. What we got? Probably a creek chub. Yep, another little creek chub. This place is loaded with them. They're loving the Bumpin Bug though. There we go. What we got? We got another species, green sunfish. Little bitty one. Dang. He wanted that thing. Look at that. See, buddy? There we go. Oh, that's a largemouth, I think. It is. A little largy. Nice. This is the second largie I've caught out of this creek. Caught a really tiny one the other night. This one's still real tiny, but will be chunky, dude. Using these little 1 1/15 ounce little Z-Man jig heads. Working pretty good. See you, buddy. Oh, that's a fish. What we got? Oh, that's another bass, I think. Sure is. We're catching the bass. The other day we caught a bunch of creek chubs. Bigger ones too, but we got 2 bass. Maybe it's the little Bumpin Bug. A little bit bigger of a lure than what I was throwing the other day, so maybe that's helping. See you, buddy. Something else. What we got? Might be a big creek chub. Yep, a little bit bigger. Definitely bigger than our first couple ones. Nice chub. Dang, they love to squirm while you're trying to unhook them. Alright, see you, buddy. We hooked one. See what we got. What is that? Creek chub. Smaller ones are definitely having a little trouble biting it. Finally got one. See you, buddy. There we go. Finally, something big enough. And it looks like a bass. Little largy. They all been about that same little size. A little chunky. A little bit chunky little bass. See you, buddy? Oh, that's a Big jump. What is that? What do we got here? Oh wow. Big old chub. Might be the hardest fight of the day so far. Might be the longest fish too. One little pincher on there. I still like it. See, bud? There we go. We're hooked up. What do we got? What do we got? Another chub. Probably the highest population of chubs I've ever run into in a creek. Good size ones too. See, buddy? Oh, we're hooked up. We are hooked up. What we got? Another bass. Another little largemouth, about the same size. Actually, it might be a little longer. See you, buddy. There we go. Feels like a decent fish. What is that? Big old chub. Dang, look at the belly on that chub. Whoa, 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 whoa. That might be the fattest little chub I ever caught. See, buddy? There we go. What is that? Looks like a chub, maybe. Creek chub. See you, bud. There we go. What in the world? Oh, it's a bass. That's the biggest bass of the day. Thought it was gonna be a big old creek chub. Stuff falling out of the trees over here. Got us a little bass right here back toward the front. Just hiked back out of there. I don't know, maybe that's not that much bigger. See you, buddy. There we go, something else. There we go, that's what I expected to be right here. Big old chub. Alrighty folks, hope you all enjoyed that quick little creek exploration, and nothing better than going out, finding a creek, exploring it, and just see what you can catch. Super fun. We also got to try out some new things. We tried out the GOOGAN Baits Bumpin Bug. But yeah, that was the 2-inch, and it was the Pro Blue Red color, and I used it on a Z-Man Finesse Shroom little Z jig, I believe it's called, and it's a 1/15 ounce. It was a Chartreuse little jig head. Perfect little combo. Both of them worked really good for that little creek. Also tried the new rod a little bit more, the little Cast King 6-foot medium light, and it's not complete yet. I am going to get a new reel, and we're going to put 6-pound on there. And that's going to be like our go-to little creek rod for situations like what we did in this video. And we haven't hooked a big fish on it yet, so I'm super excited to hook like, you know, a decent like 1-pound bass just to see how it feels on that rod. But yeah, super fun. Love the creek fishing, little adventures like that. Hope you all enjoyed, and I will talk to you all later.